Let us learn about Court of Arbitration of Sports. Brief introduction about Court of Arbitration for Sports. Court of Arbitration for Sport, CAS, was established in 1984. CAS is an independent institution that facilitates the settlement of sports-related disputes through arbitration or mediation. It can be said it is the Supreme Court for resolving sports-related disputes. Headquarters of CAS is in Lausanne, Switzerland. It has additional courts in New York, USA, and Sydney, Australia. It has nearly 300 arbitrators from 87 countries that have been chosen for their specialist knowledge of arbitration and sports law. CAS sets up non-permanent tribunals, which it does for the Olympic Games, the Commonwealth Games, or other similar major events in host cities. CAS operates independently of any sports organization and is managed by the International Council of Arbitration for Sport, ICAS. The ICAS has a membership of 20 individuals and is responsible for the administrative and financial reporting of CAS. ICAS also appoints the Director General of the CAS, which is head of CAS. Present President of ICAS is Mr. John Dowling Coates from Australia, and CAS Director General is Mathieu Reed from Switzerland. ICAS has at present 20 members, but no member is from India. Brief history of Court of Arbitration of Sports. CAS was originally set up by International Olympic Committee, IOC President Juan Antonio Samaranch, to deal with disputes arising during the Olympics. It was established as part of the IOC in 1984. In 1992, CAS was made independent of the IOC, with creation of International Council of Arbitration for Sport, ICAS, to look after the running and financing of the CAS. Functions of CAS. CAS' goal is to resolve sports-related disputes through arbitration or appeals against decisions made by sports organizations or bodies. CAS is open to all members associated with sports for seeking arbitration. A wide range of parties can initiate proceedings before the CAS, including athletes, sports organizations, event organizers, and commercial entities. Cases submitted to the CAS can encompass both commercial and disciplinary matters. Commercial disputes often involve contracts related to sponsorship, broadcasting rights, or athlete endorsements. Disciplinary cases typically arise from violations of anti-doping rules, match fixing, or other breaches of conduct. Power of CAS decisions. The CAS has jurisdiction over disputes involving athletes, coaches, and sports federations. The court is recognized as the highest authority for resolving sports-related disputes. An award pronounced by the CAS is final and binding on the parties involved. Its decisions have the same enforceability as judgments of ordinary courts. Decisions of the CAS can be appealed to the Federal Supreme Court of Switzerland. Case of wrestler Vinesh Phogat. Vinesh Phogat was disqualified ahead of her gold medal match in Paris Olympics 2024 because she was 100 gm overweight. She was on the cusp of being the first ever Indian woman wrestler to play in an Olympics final. After disqualification, she was not even considered eligible to win any medal. Indian Olympic Association appealed to the Court of Arbitration for Sport, CAS, to intervene. Vinesh initially wanted her gold medal bout to be reinstated, which was rejected by CAS. Phogat's appeal is request for a joint silver medal after being found overweight following her semi-final victory in Paris. Harish Salva will represent the Indian Olympic Association, IOA, in the case related to the disqualification of wrestler Vinesh Phogat at the Paris Olympics. Where will hearing take place? CAS has opened 2 temporary offices in Paris for the Paris Olympics 2024. The first office, CAS Ad Hoc Division, will resolve any legal disputes that arise during the Games. The second temporary office is for the CAS Anti-Doping Division, which will adjudicate anti-doping related matters arising during the Games. In India, many sportspersons have batted for Vinesh. In the wrestling fraternity, legends like Jordan Burroughs have started a campaign on social media to see Vinesh be given a silver medal. Please press subscribe button for more such updates.